Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to remove all bloatware in Windows 10. And before I start, make sure you enable the subtitles on my videos to understand better what I say. So yeah, let's start. First of all, if you do not know what a bloatware is, a bloatware are the built-in apps that Windows 10 has by itself. For example, if we go to start, you will see that there are lots of icons right here. As you can see, I have only 6 because when I did my field recording, I removed all the bloatware and that's what I have left right now. I'm gonna leave it like that right now and I'm gonna fix it later. The built-in apps are the 6 icons that I have right here and a lot more in the left hand side right here. The ones are calendar, camera, Paint 3D, Netflix, store, Edge, calculator, photos and a lot more that that I don't have right now. And if you do not have space on your hard drive or SSD and you want to free up space but you do not know how, this is the video for you. And in this video we'll be using this software right here, Windows 10 Bloatware, and of course I'm gonna leave a link in the description to download the software. Once you're in the GitHub website, scroll down a bit to find the green download link where it says clone or download and click download zip. And this is what you should have when you download it. You do not actually need to open the zip file. You need to right click and click extract here because there is a folder inside and there is a reason why we need the folder. Double click the folder and you need to open the second one, Windows 10 Bloatware GUI, because GUI is the software itself. Right click and then click run with PowerShell. And you're gonna open the software right now and do not close PowerShell because it's gonna close the software as well. And this is the software right here. You will see that there are kind of a lot of options, but the main 3 ones we're going to use in this video are in the top left corner right here. Customize blacklist, remove all bloatware, remove bloatware with customized blacklist. In this software you can actually customize the apps that you do not want to get removed. For example, if we go to customize blacklist, it's going to take a bit to load. You will see that there's a big list of all the bloatware that Windows 10 has. The ones that it says here non-removable, you cannot remove them. The checked ones, which are the default ones, the checked ones means that they will get removed. The unchecked ones are the ones that they won't get removed. You can uncheck the ones that you do not want to get removed and check the ones that you want to get removed. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in a bit because I'm gonna remove the apps that I do not want. Okay guys, I'm back and I have only checked 3 bloatwares: Microsoft Get Started, the 3D Viewer and the Communications app. And after you have changed the settings that you want, make sure you go up here in the top to click Save Custom Whitelist and Blacklist to this file right here, because if you close it straight up without saving it, it won't, and you will have to redo what you did before. I'm gonna save it and I'm gonna close it. Right now, if you wanted to remove the bloatware that you have only checked, you need to click the 3rd option, remove bloatware with customized blacklist. If you haven't changed any settings in the blacklist, click remove all bloatware. Or in other words, if you want to remove all the bloatware without doing any changes, click the 2nd option. But if you have done any changes in the blacklist, click the 3rd option. I'm gonna click the third option because I have only checked only 3 options. And if you click it, you will see that it has started removing. And as you can see, it's already done because I checked, as I said, only 3 bloatware. As it says at the bottom, bloatware removed. And if you have clicked accidentally remove all bloatware, you can actually reinstall all the bloatware again. You will need a PowerShell command. This is the command right here. I'm gonna leave it in the description as well. Control V, and then you need to go to the PowerShell app. Go to the start and type PowerShell, and then in the right hand side click Run as Administrator. Then click Yes, and then right here Control V, and then hit Enter, and then it will reinstall all the bloatware that it has. I think approximately it was 130 bloatware. I'm not really sure. You can check it for yourself if you want to, but I'm not going to do it. I have removed the ones I do not need. And yeah, that's a video guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section and I'll try to help you as much as possible. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section and I'll try to make them in the future. Thanks for watching guys. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.